This video will quickly show you how you can use our digital edition to compare Alice Thornton's 4 books. Here on our home page, you'll want to go up to the menu at the top and click on Edition. This will open the digital edition on the first page of the Book of Remembrances in the modernised text. Now, using the menus at the top of the page, you can make some selections already, so you can switch between the modern and semi-diplomatic versions. You can also select a different book using this menu. Now let's say you want to compare pages across different books. Click on the Add button on the right-hand side and this creates a clone. Now you can work with this a bit like a split screen. So I'm going to keep it in modernised text, but select Book 1. And I can change the page numbers of each book independently. And you can keep going, just clone again and change this selection to see Book 2. If your screen's big enough, you could compare 4 books. This is an example of the same event described by Thornton in 2 different books, the Book of Remembrances on the left and Book 1 on the right, where she describes the event in greater detail. In the example here, Thornton is remembering almost being thrown overboard in a storm. You'll notice a small symbol next to this event in the text, and if you scroll over it, a link appears. Clicking that link will take you to a dedicated page about that event, and here you'll see all the other references to that particular event in Thornton's other books. This is part of the search feature, which you can find here on the top menu, and it's really worth exploring Thornton's books using this search page to find whatever you are interested in. If I just type overboard as a keyword in the search box on the left, that will bring up the event in 1639 that we were just looking at. When you find an event with the search page, it will be highlighted in yellow. These are often events that Thornton writes about in more than one book. And you can see here in the search pages that there is a lot to explore.